Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and I just want to do this quick little video about these strimmer heads that Stihl provide. And I've just had two come in and they were very badly worn, but I'll get into that and show you what you've got to be careful with these. Now, when it comes to taking them off, when you buy a new head they come with a bar which fits up through here. This then locks this brand new piece here into it over the drive there. You put it up through there, so that stops it from turning, and then you take your new head, wind it down, job done. Then you just, apparently you've got to soak these for 12 to 24 hours, and then you just poke them in through these holes and they stick out. Now, the ones I originally had to take off, I had trouble with, because the customer had worn the inside of this down so much that instead of, see that big metal boss in the centre there? See how thick it is? Well, that's what it was like after they dropped it off. Yeah, they've worn all this around here, and these two little pieces here are what is left of the inside of the insert, because it got worn down. The way I was able to do it, because these were literally just spinning, was I put an angle grinder, a little thin angle grinder up against there, cutting with a cutting disc on it, rotated it around until I was able to grip these with a pair of mole grips to undo it. It was fairly easy. But the problem with it is that because they've worn it down so much, see this shaft piece here, I had to replace that. That's brand new. And the reason for it is, see the end of there? See how much thread is left? That's what it's supposed to look like. Can you see how much has been worn down off of that shaft? There's literally 1.5 threads to try and attach this new part to it. So, fairly simple job to replace them, but I insisted on doing it because I didn't want this head spinning off and hitting something and I'm getting blamed for it. Yeah, because if you look on there you can see that that shaft is right up by the top. But anyway, it's nice that they give you one of these little pins to do the job with. But that's basically what I'm warning you about, because you can see they're both worn down badly. If you have another normal type bump stop strimmer head, you'd have to wear all of this down before you got to the top of that shaft. So that's the only thing I'm not happy about these in some respects, but this is what the customer likes to use, so I'm not going to moan. So there you are folks, if you use these Durocut heads, just be wary, because if they get worn down like this, you can end up getting a new shaft fitted. And these are about £40 fitted. It is. So anyway, if you found that helpful, please hit the like button, and if you found it even more helpful, please hit the subscribe. It's totally free and much appreciated. So until next video folks, take care and I'll see you then.